Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can fix the first Descendant stuck on infinite loading screen and how it can connect to servers. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to open a browser, then you need to go to nexon.com/news and then look for notice or all news if there is no server maintenance. So basically you need to look if the servers is not down. If it's down, what you need to do here in the certain time here is just wait, because you can't do nothing about it, right? And if it's not down, then I will show you a few steps. So the first step what you need to do here, if you are on PC, you just need to open up cmd or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to write ipconfig /flush DNS, and then another one is /winsock reset. Restart your computer and a router if you're using Wi-Fi and look if the problem persists. Then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to network and internet, and then advanced network settings, and then here network reset and reset your network. If it's not helped for you, then go back, look for internet connection here, expand the option, then select more adapter options, and here make sure to disable Internet Protocol version 6, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and then here we need to write 8.8.8.8 and then on alternate 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. If it's not working, then try to use 1.1.1.1 and on the alternate 1.0.0.1, right? And it should fix your problem if the servers is not down. So yeah, that's pretty much it.